Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we will see an important function that is on how to use large function in MS Excel. So before moving to the video, I would request everyone to please check the playlist. You will find 200 plus videos that will help in cracking the interviews related to trainers, team leader, quality analyst, associates KPI, Six Sigma certification, process management, project leads. So many more videos are there that will help you in cracking your interview very easily. So today we will see one important function that is on large function. So how this function will work? First of all, I'll give you some background behind this. Suppose we have certain players and they have scores this particular run. Consider this is IPL 2024 scores and they have scored this. Now I want to check who is on at a first rank, second rank and third rank. Let me delete this. Okay, I'm deleting everything. So I want to check who is on first rank. I got 1200, which is Jaiswal. Yes, you can see we got all these details. Who is at third rank? So I got to know third rank at 1020 is the score, which is Rahul. If I want to see who is at the last, like seventh rank, well, we don't have seventh, we have sixth. Okay, yes, MS Dhoni is the last, sixth. 1 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, might be there are few common numbers, that is the reason. It's done. So you can understand how we got now, how this is working now. So whenever we are adding the rank, automatically we are getting the most run and we are also getting the player name. How this done? We have used two functions here. The first function is large function, second function is XLOOKUP function. Let's see how this is working. So I'll paste same table below and I'll start doing this calculation for you guys. Okay, Control V and let me delete this. Okay, and rank I let randomly. Okay, so first of all manually I'm adding the rank. So here for the most runs we will use large function, LARGE, large. In the large it is asking the data which means the scores. Okay, this is done. Now it is asking comma and n which means the rank. Okay, close. So this worked nicely. Now let me drag this to down. We got this course. Okay, if I type 6, I'll get the lowest number. I'm not getting that. Wait just a minute, let me see. Okay, yes, 5. So I got the lowest number here. So in this way it will work. So let me add again third rank. Now this is done. Now I want to add the player name here. So the person who scored 1200, I want to get the player name. It's quite easy. We will use XLOOKUP here. So equal to XLOOKUP. Sorry. Okay. Now this is asking search key. So 1200 I want to search, comma. Now lookup range. Now lookup range will start. First we will choose the most runs. Then comma. We will choose the player name. And done. That's it. So if we do this, we'll get our answers. If I again type here 5, I'll get 580, which is MS Dhoni. So you understood how we use the large function as well as the XLOOKUP to get all the data. So this is all about the large function. I hope you understand this concept very easily. If you did not understood, again go and recheck. Here in the large function, we are choosing the range, which is this runs, and the n, which is the rank, which is which column or which cell you want to which cell result you want to show here. Okay, so in this way we can do this. And the player name, it's quite easy, XLOOKUP. I will add the XLOOKUP link in the description also. You can check out, guys. That will help you in understanding about the XLOOKUP in more details. If you still have any doubt, let me know. Don't miss to share, subscribe the channel, check out our playlist. You will find many videos. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.